Hello friends, today I'm going to discuss about lists in Python. So lists is a data type which is ordered, mutable and can allow duplicate values. What do you mean by mutable? That means changeable. Let's see how to first make a list. Whatever rules for the identifier or a variable that exists in Python, the same applies over here in the list also. You can make a list by using the list constructor, or you can use square brackets as well. For example, you can use square brackets. And next, what is this ID? ID gives the memory location of the list where it is stored. You can see this is the memory location. Dir gives the total number of methods which the list function has. Sorry, the list data element has. You can see this. These are the methods. Methods. Okay, moving on to next method, the sort. The sort method actually sorts this list in ascending order. You can see it is sorted in the ascending order. Nextly, again if we'll compare the ID of this updated value which is sorted, and if we compare the updated value of this list and the previous list, these are going to be same, because imagine you're writing in a book with a pencil, and if you've done a mistake or you want to update anything, then you erase it in the same place only. The same idea goes for the sort method as well. It does the updation in the same list, same list memory location. It doesn't change anything. Change the memory location. Next, we'll see for sorted. This sorted function does the same thing as a sort method, except that it changes the memory location. For example, you can see this, it's changed. Now let's go forward. How is indexing done in Python? If we start from the starting element, then it will go from 0 to the 0, 1, 2, 3 till the last element. However, it starts from the back, it starts from -1, -2 up to the first element, which is -4. It can become confusing if you're moving to computer science after studying maths, because maths will usually start from 1. However, you should remember, and this is true with all languages, C, Java, Python, that indexing starts from 0. Next, if you want to find that particular element exists in a list, then you can use the in operator. In operator usually gives true or false value if it exists or not exist. However, you must note that Python is case sensitive. If you put here a capital letter, then it will not work. Means they give false over here. Then the index means where this string namaskara exists in strings list. As you can see, it is here second. Nextly, let's go forward. If you want to access the first element with a negative indexing, then you can use -5 over here. However, if you want to access the last element, then you can use -1, as I have pointed out before. Next, if you want to find the max element in a list, you can use the max function. It'll show the greatest numeral type in a list. It is also applicable for strings as well. For example, you can write type over here. private. This is numerically the it is the largest element in this list. That is why. One reason of this can be given that P appears after H, N, N. It will go for the first letter calculation for the biggest value in a string. Next, if you need to find a minimum, you can use the min. However, if you want to add a list or a set of elements, you can use the append function. It will just add it like a list at the last of the original list. So this is it for today. I have introduced you to the basics of lists and hope you're clear. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comments. Thank you.